Hi there, Chris here. First off, I took the wafers out of this zoo, and it's much harder to pick, much more challenging. So I'll bring this back and pick it in the future, but right now I wanted to pick, or see if I could pick, this Lockwood V7. This is an awesome, awesome lock. And just like there's bitting on the key, just like this little V, the pins are 4 on this side and 3 on this side, and they're at an angle. So it's kind of a challenging lock. It has tapered pins and it has spools in it. So we'll see if I can get this picked. It's sort of a hit and miss for me, and I don't use my regular pick. I use, I think it's a Lock Tools pick. Yeah, and it's this one. I think it's I want to say the Penny Teardrop, but I'm not sure. And I might also use this one. Actually, I'm going to use this one. It's just a little higher reach. So I pick a little bit to the left and a little bit to the right. And usually I got a bit of a false set, and then I have to fight with a couple of spools. There's somebody low in the back that I might have to use my regular pick for. Felt a little bit of a cord churn. Okay, now we're in a deeper false set. I'll switch to this pick. No, lost my deep false set. Oh, now we got it. Really cool, challenging lock. Now I've taken this off because so I could gut it. These things were just frozen in here. There was no way to beat them out or put liquid wrench in them or anything. I might still be able to drill them out and pick out and get an actuator or a back on this thing at some point, but I did want to pick it, and I did want to gut it. So we'll put in our shim and see what we have inside here. So that's the setup. It's very, very cool. And it also has, you see a little ball bearing there, which we're going to take out right away. Drill protection. So where's my key? Did I show the key? I think I did. Everybody needed picking. So the way I'm going to gut this is I'll go the first, or the right side and then the left side. Two's popping up easy, so we're going to go with that. If I can. See, I'm running against those tapers. There we go. And I want to keep this in order pretty much. Okay. 1, 2. Might just poke these out. Three. And this will go in the 4 slot. Dang. And then we'll start to fill up from there. So that's 1, 2, and 3. So it's important to remember how you laid this out when you pull these out. And it's also important to take a shim out. And I'll give you a close-up on all this. So number 1 is a standard. And a little copper spring. And I'm just going to go along the right side here, take out the first 4. Whoops, no, I can't do that. This will be number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just because it comes up. And this will be 2. And that's a spool. Where is it? And a copper spring. And that will be 5. And a copper spring. And this will be 3. And it's a spool. Copper. And that one goes there. And then we have one more, which is a standard. And there we go. So that's, you can see how it's set up in there. Now I'll show you a close-up of these pins. As you can see, the tapers on these. So all in all, a very, very cool V7. Anyway, there again is the bitting on the key. there you go. I'm very happy to get that on camera. Thank you, Funky Monkey, for sending me this. I love it, love it, love it. Hit the like, subscribe, ask a question, leave a comment. We will see you next time.